Yo, what's good, people? It's man like Jamo. Acer invited me down to some next event where we're doing baking and they're also showing us some of their new products. Let's have a look inside and see what's really good in it. Yes, fam. So you already heard, innit, fam? We're down in East London. I think it's outside Haggerston Station. We're at the Big London Bake Off. It's mad how you even enter this venue through like a little fridge door. Inside they got like a little bar area, a couple food items and thing. Big shout out to Acer and Chili Bob PR for extending the invite. Anyway, let's go and have a look at the tech that they got hiding next door. Now let's dive straight in with the Acer Swift X14 content creator laptop thing. You understand? That's what these companies are doing now. They're basically trying to make Windows equivalents to your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air. Something that's nice and lightweight, but it can still pack a punch enough to do your video editing, Photoshop, and maybe two little gameplay on the go. If I just drop a couple little specs on you here, fam, obviously we got big boy 13th gen i7 processor, 16GB of RAM minimum, terabyte SSD, NVIDIA RTX 4050 graphics to push the bad boy screen, which is OLED 2.8K 120Hz. Fam, not only are you gonna be doing up content creator, video editing, Photoshop on this, but you're also gonna be able to get a little bit of gameplay in there as well, you understand? 2 Overwatch and them things there, you see me? Next up, you got these all-in-one PCs. I believe it's the Aspire S series. What really gassed me, apart from the generally decent specs, is that you have all these kind of accessories that literally magnetically clip onto the back of the all-in-one for a modular accessory experience, innit? So you got like this little white web camera with a little light on it, or you've got like a little light bar that you can also put on it, or you've got a standalone web camera attachment, and you've also got the bottom which doubles as a trackpad, which you can put next to your keyboard if you just need a little bit more precision when you're using the mouse kind of thing. Fam, it's definitely a little wavy all-in-one that I definitely had to touch real soon. Next up, and I'm saying this with a smile, is we got the Predator Triton 17X. Now Acer probably hasn't sent this to me yet because they know I'm likely to run away with it, but this is their biggest, baddest laptop for gaming that they've got in their lineup right now. We're talking NVIDIA RTX 4090, i9 settings on the processor here, holy per RAM, holy per storage, RGB lighting everywhere. Just with them specs alone, you know that the thing is serious, innit? You know the thing is not a joke thing. I can't wait to get my hands on them. I promise Acer, I will stay planted and just do the review and perhaps maybe give it back after I'm done. Now, my favorite product of this whole showcase, I can't lie, has to be the Predator X45 ultra wide monitor. As you can see, it is super big, it's super wham. It's being powered by the Predator Orion 7000 desktop PC just next to it. But we're not talking about the PC right now, we're talking about the beauty, which is this monitor. It's a 21:9 3440 by 1440p, so yeah, 2K ultra wide kind of thing. However, this is a 45-inch version. Usually when you see a big 21:9 ultra wide, it's 34 inches. This is 45 inches. It's absolutely wham. And I think you're getting up to what, 240 hertz refresh rate. It's OLED. You got 90-watt USB power delivery as well. Quad HD, as man said, up to 0.01 milliseconds refresh rate. It's all mad, and you can see that especially as man was playing a little bit of Forza. Lastly, kind of random, they got these scooters from Acer, which that is just mad random, fam. Like, after Acer do bare gaming laptops and everything like that, they're trying to branch out into like consumer devices, like regular. They even had some cooling fans, some air conditioning units in there, which I didn't film because I was like, that's not really me. But yeah, no, it's interesting to see where Acer seem to be going on this consumer venture that they seem to be doing, fam. Bare weird. I guess the scooters look okay though. Like, I see people riding around on them, they look alright. I don't know, it would be sick if you could obviously, you know, play games on them. I don't know. I guess it's a scooter, isn't it? It is what it is. We'll have to see what the price points are saying. Yeah, I'm gonna watch this space and see what Acer do in this strange kind of venture they're going into. Anyway, that's it, people. Them quick one today. Yeah, Acer product showcase, and they had a little baking thing going on, which was very wavy. I might do that as a separate video, just because it was funny. If I do, I'll put the link to that video in the description section below. Again, big shout out to Acer and Chili Bob PR for inviting man down. We'll catch you guys in the next one, innit?